Hazrat Khidr, eternal green enigma. Mysterious guide shattering mortal veils. In Islam's boundless spiritual ocean, Khidr radiates unmatched divine mystery. His name ignites verdant life, renewal defying time's ruthless decay. He erupts from shadowed realms, delivers words igniting soul transformations, then dissolves into infinite voids. Quran unveils his core essence. Surah Al-Kahf's explosive verses. Scholars dismantle his holy secrets. Saints hunt his vanishing presence. Poets forge his immortal wisdom. Unnamed but eternally revered, tradition enthrones him Al-Khidr, God's warrior with mercy unleashed. Ilm Ladunni, raw divine revelation. Before epic clashes unfold, seize Khidr's explosive symbolic heart, icon of concealed cosmic guidance, vision shattering human boundaries. Quest's climax unleashes revelation. Complete Quranic saga exposed, layers of mystic fire revealed, truths for hungering spirits. Quran anchors Khidr in Al-Kahf. Verses 60 to 82 blaze. Servant armored in celestial mercy, schooled in God's direct fire. Mercy commands ultimate divine shield. Knowledge shatters reality's illusions. Deeds crush superficial reasoning, explode with ultimate enlightenment. Musa clash demonstrates mastery, time's veil torn asunder, past, present, future fused eternally. Khidr, the unyielding evergreen force. Footprints explode in timeless greenery. Emblem of deathless vibrant life. Renewal in unbreakable cycles. Myths roar he consumed immortality. From life's furious eternal fountain, fueling existence until final judgment. Sightings thunder through ages, across vast, uncharted territories. Sufis declare him unchained, wanderer without anchored home, mentor for abandoned truth-seekers, redeemer in absolute oblivion. Emerges in explosive shapes, body, dreams, soul-shaking murmurs. Unmasks time's nonlinear chaos. Predicts unborn cataclysms boldly. Wrecks ship for ultimate rescue. Slays boy to crush future agony. Fortifies wall guarding hidden riches. Humans witness raw disorder. Khidr commands divine symphony. No cheap sci-fi leap, but ascended time domination. Summit commanding rivers full fury. Origin to ocean conquered. Mortals splinter time's chain. Khidr welds seamless eternity. Sufi titans depict him. Awareness exploding past limits. Crushing Zahir's fragile facade. Storming Batin's secret empires. Conquers invisible cosmic strata. Materializes, evaporates without echo. Ignites heart-to-heart infernos. Folklore erupts with thunderous tales. Nomad greets emerald liberator, directed to secret life spring. Thirst slain, blessing detonated. Vanishes erasing all traces. Wonder branded in eternity. Mariner battles savage tempest. Summons heavenly stormbreaker. Khidr storms aboard doomed craft. Silences waves with iron will. Steers to ironclad haven. Fades into dawn's veil. Merchant crushed by debt's vice. Vision's green oracle's command. Obeys, wealth erupts overnight. Spirit enriched, gratitude eternal. Sufi hermit craves illumination. Khidr blasts through veils. Unleashes unity's blazing core. Soul ascends to divine peaks. Poet wrestles barren words. Calls Khidr's muse to ignite. Verses surge like raging torrents. Captures heaven's raw splendor. Scholar assaults cryptic enigmas. Khidr hisses unlocking codes. Layers shatter for ages. Mind bowed to mystery's might. Warrior faces annihilation's jaws. Green flag ignites rebellion. Rallies to crushing triumph. Faith obliterates impossible odds. Healer defies lethal plague. Khidr unveils nature's weapon. Cures ignite widespread salvation. Despair crushed under green lore. Pilgrim ambushed by savage hordes. Khidr strikes as fierce guardian. Scatters evil with thunderous awe. Secures holy triumph eternally. Artist forges divine masterpiece. Khidr steers every stroke. Infuses with celestial fire. Awakens souls in radiant glow. Dive into symbolism's abyss. Green's explosive layered power. Fertility storms paradise gardens. Prophet's cloak in vibrant armor. Rebirth crushes winter's death. Hope ignites barren hearts. Water bonds shatter limits. Life's geyser, wisdom's flood. Quenches eternal soul thirst. Surges from God's core. Time transcendence weaponized. Nonlinear vision's ultimate blade. Sees fate's iron chain. Strikes with godlike accuracy. Mercy cloaked in brutal strikes. Wisdom armored in paradox. Demands surrender to unknown. Faith in master plan. Sufi legions worship him. Secret initiator of rites. Manifest to elite warriors. Showers Baraka's explosive grace. Orders link back eternally to Khidr's ghostly mastery. Ibn Arabi chronicles battles. Lord of lone wanderers. Leads sans flesh mentor. For elite mystic conquerors. Rumi's ocean storm allegory. Surface rage hides pearl empires. Khidr strikes echo this. Harm births divine jewels. Nursi ranks life levels. Khidr commands second tier. Unshackled from mortal chains. Exists everywhere, eternally. Tabari weaves ancient epics. Khidr's timeless war chronicles. Tied to Musa's aid Joshua. Amplifies saga's fierce scope. Zulkarnain's iron ally. Alexander's immortality hunt. Khidr seizes endless youth. Conqueror crumbles in dust. Syncretic merges ignite. Elijah's Jewish fire chariot. Ascension mirrors immortal flame. Prophetic legacy unbreakable. St. George's dragon crusher. Khidr's valor echoes fiercely. Vanquishes darkness, shields faithful. John Baptist's desert thunder. Waters match life's fountain. Clears roads for giants. South Asia's Jalal god. Fish riding river savior. Crushes tyrants, mirrors redemption. Modern twists evolve fiercely. Jung's psyche archetype strikes. Stranger ignites consciousness war. Clash with shadow self. Eco-icon in crisis. Green warrior for earth. Renewal battles climate apocalypse. Guards life's sacred equilibrium. Interfaith bridge unbreakable. Unites traditions in fire. Fosters harmony amid chaos. Mystic alliance ground. Extend Quranic dissection now. Verse by verse demolition. Musa's soul ignites quest. Craves depths beyond knowing. God exposes servant's lair. At sea's furious clash. Basket fish erupts alive. Dives into waves undetected. Sign of awakening fury. Break from chains mundane. Aid forgets in exhaustion. Frailty tests mortal resolve. Retrace hammers perseverance. Spirit's unyielding chase. Khidr lounges in calm. Green robe radiating power. Orachil's yet draws. Challenge and invitation fused. Musa begs fierce apprenticeship. Follow, absorb your fire? Khidr warns of collapse. Patience shatters your grip. Zeal fuels bold vow. Divine will I conquer. Pact forged, silence absolute, until truth's voluntary blast. Set sail on humble boat, fisherman's gift of trust. Khidr rips hull savagely, water invades with force. Musa erupts in fury, doom innocence to abyss? Pact reminder crushes outburst, regret vows iron memory. Press to deadly rendezvous, boy frolics in innocence. Khidr strikes fatal blow, core-shaking horror unleashed. Musa roars in outrage, unjust slaughter of pure. Warning thunders again harshly, last shot granted grimly. Town rejects their plea, denies food and refuge. Khidr rebuilds crumbling bastion, labor without greedy reward. Musa pushes for pay, shatters pact once more. Separation declared with thunder, explanations ignite forthwith. Shipwreck thwarts king's theft, saves poor from ruin. Boys and blocks parental hell, replaced with holy air. Wall hides orphans' gold, piety guards till claim. Deeds born of vision, not random cruel whim. Musa crushed by truth, admits sight's fatal flaw. Tale closes in parting, lesson echoes forever. Amplify Sufi war cries, guru-disciple bond forged. Khidr inner storm guide, Musa outer law enforcer. Endure trials beyond grasp, trust master's cosmic eye. Ilm Ladunni injects direct, skips reason's weak path. Heart's lightning intuition, beyond tome's dead letters. Lone road's fierce champion, four teacherless warriors. Khidr storms in crisis, upholds orphan spirits. Khidr mantle granted elite, unlocks travels, visions vast. Multi-place existence commanded, prophet clashes multiply, Muhammad's secret summits. Khidr worships at hidden posts, teaches rites forbidden. Ali's bloodline roots deep, Hassan clashes incognito, affirms succession's iron truth, unmasks after fierce exit. Life extension debates rage, immortal or extended reign. Gulpt el-Hayat's fury, youth's well eternal, endures till doomsday horn. Shields faithful in apocalypse. Tales harm no one, fuel faith's blazing forge. Cultural variants explode, Turkish Hizir strikes instant. Emergency savior unleashed, answers desperation's call. Kurdish anthems summon him, from ruined fortress echoes. Persian legends entwine him, with monarchs and titans. Indian peers exalt him, blend with godlike locals. African epics cast him, desert navigator supreme. Balkan fringes fuse him, with saintly Christian allies. Diaspora spreads his fire, universal Khidr conquers. Modern chaos demands him, teaches chaos acceptance. Unfolds destiny's blade, unjust strikes hide glory. Ignites inner wisdom hunt, beyond facades lies. Sparks eco-revolution, green mandate for sustainability. Renewal in toxic eras, patron of Earth's survival. Therapy mirrors his shadow, wise subconscious navigator. Unravels life's labyrinth, exposes concealed truths. Art blazes with him, paintings seize green phantom. Poems trap fleeting clashes, films ignite Quranic drama. Music chants his power, Qawwali flames, Nash's thunder. Festivals honor his reign, Hizir Ilyas spring eruption. Compile Khidr's epic bio, origins to mythic heights. Pre-Quran whispers roots, Gilgamesh kin Utnapishtim. Immortal at water's edge. Dispenses wisdom to hunters. Quran births Islamic blaze. Unnamed godly operative. Mercy armed, knowledge loaded. Clashes Musa at merge. Hadiths amplified post-Quran. Companions hunt his fire. Learn writes anew fiercely. Medieval minds categorize him. Scriptureless prophet perhaps. Wali armored in favor. Angel in flesh disguise. Ottoman Empire idolizes him. Shrines conquer vast lands. Sailors invoke Sea Lord. Guard against ocean's wrath. Colonial shadows preserve him. Oral flames endure. Post-colonial Sufi resurgence. Khidr embodies defiance. Spirit's fierce independence. Beyond empire's chains. Digital storm spreads legends. Forums battle immortality. Podcasts dissect symbols. Blogs hoard global fires. Future visions project him. Sci-fi dimensional storm. Time conqueror, reality shifter. Fuels imaginative wars. Core stays spiritual blade. Guide for lost warriors. Khidr triumphs eternally. Supreme Green Commander. Demands divine trust explosion. Rips reality's veils. Hunt him in heart's void. Unleash wisdom's green inferno.